Alright, this is how you download Flix Vision. Go to App Store, then the blue App Store. Scroll down until you see APK time. Click it. Once it turns green, you'll click it again. Go down to Entertainment. And then you're going to go down until you see Flix Vision Mod. That's it. The download button is green. Click that. Wait till it says 100%. Then click Install. Now click Done. Press the home button. Go down to one of these spots down here, click Add. And Flix Vision should be the first one. Click it. Press the back button, and now it'll be there. There are all these categories. If you want a Netflix exclusive, that's all of them. Click the back button. There's Disney, Prime Video, everything, Paramount. If you go all the way to the left, you can search for movies. There's a bunch of different stuff in here. This works a little bit different than the blue VOD section. I'll play something. We'll play Deadpool. Press play. It's going to pull up some links. I find that these direct streams work the best, the ones that say direct stream in blue. So I'll just try this first one. Sometimes when you click these links, it may be like a bootleg version. It may not be good quality. That's why I say this is not as good as Blue VOD, but this one is going to get movies faster than Blue VOD. This looks like a pretty good copy. I'll fast forward a little bit. And press the back button to get out. On this app, you can't just close the app out. You do have to back out of what you're watching, or you'll hear the audio. Hit the back button a few times until you get back here. To the left, there's also TV shows. And there is also an adult section, as well as a live TV section. The adult section, you have to put a PIN number in, so it is there is parental control on it. Live TV has a lot of stuff. It doesn't work quite as good as Blue TV, but there's also some stuff on there that's not on Blue TV. There's a lot more Spanish channels for every country, really. Go down, find United States. Everything's alphabetical. There's the two billiards channels, Billiard TV and Billiards Plus. you want to add a channel to favorites, you just hold OK on it, add the favorites, and it'll go to the top. The voice remote does not work in this section. All right, that's it. If there's any questions, send me a PM.